Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've worked thousands of cases. I worked for IRS a decade. One of the reasons it's important to listen to me, I was the IRS. So it's like you're talking to the IRS, but I've been in tax defense for 42 years, so you get the best of both worlds. But yeah, very few people are going to have this mix that you're talking about. But today, I'm going to talk to you about the Irs Offer In Compromise, of which I am an expert. A matter of fact, I actually co-authored a book with my partner, Peter Salinger, called IRS Settlements, thus the Offer In Compromise. You don't have to buy the book. It's a good book, though. Anyway, let me tell you about offers in compromise. Everyone nowadays wants an offer. Let me settle for less. I've heard this, I've heard that, I've heard this. All this is noise that you've heard. It's wishful thinking. Offers in compromise for many people are no more than wishful thinking. Well, matter of fact, I'm going to rename this YouTube video, Is the Offer in Compromise Wishful Thinking? Because it is. Last year, 13,000 people got their offers accepted. Let me tell you, if I look at your financial statement, in 15 seconds, I'll tell you whether your offer in compromise is going to go through. I can't flip the pages fast enough, seriously. Matter of fact, I probably could do it in 9 or 8 seconds. Really, my eyes are so scanned to where the numbers need to do. It's go boom, 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 you're eligible. You don't want to file an offer if you're not, because you've given IRS a paper trail of where to collect the money from. You want to make sure you file an offer if you know you got the offer. You have to talk to someone who knows what the hell they're doing. Probably 95% of the people out there have no idea what they're doing. They have a bank of sales agents. Sales agents size you up. They sense your fear. They know what you got because they ask financial statement questions, and they say, hey, we can settle the IRS debt. Here comes Sammy, my wonder dog. She always wants an appearance fee. It's the sweetest dog in the world. We call her Rug now because she really doesn't move. She just lays down. It's like she's probably going to lay behind me. There she is. Anyway, so the offer in compromise is a very, very specific, it's a laser document that IRS says this is what you need to do. If you don't do this, your offer isn't going through. Thus, IRS is looking at two main things. Look, they look at the whole form. They look at your age, your work experience, what you made in the past, your bank statements, your credit reports. They look at all this, but at the end of the day, they're going to drill down on your income and expenses and your assets. When you look at those two things, you'll know like that whether that offer is going to go through. There's a formula, and the formula it's a specific formula. The reason I'm careful to tell you exactly what that is, it's what are your assets, what's your income and expenses, and they mesh the two together, and here comes a figure. Those can change depending on who's working your case and who has the ability to polish your financial statement up to make it offer acceptable. A lot of people, if you just take that statement and you can change it and even prepare it correctly, maybe use a year's period of time and not 6 months, your offer will go through. Anyway, if you have a chance for your offer to go through, you'd be crazy not to have us look at your form, because we actually work the offer and compromise program in IRS. Yeah, we used to accept them and deny them. So really, who's better to work your case? The other people or someone who used to approve and deny offers? Anyway, give me a subscription. We know what the hell we're talking about. We used to accept offers and compromise. Thank you.